This is the first episode of the series, and we are going to start with the nut hardest to crack physics. So, hi there, this is Tabia, and welcome back. So, today we are going to discuss about the most amazing yet infamous subject, physics. We are going to divide this video into three parts: learning, revising, and testing. First of all, let's start with learning. So, this is the stepping stone for the basic. I can't really emphasize how important it is. Whether you are a target student or a fresher, it doesn't really matter. You have to start from the scratch. Firstly, do all the classes, lectures, and make proper notes for each class. And go home and revise all of it. Maybe write down some stuff with pencil in your words. You can color it, highlight it, or do anything you like. Just personalize it. Now, a special note for those of you who are studying through YouTube: please stick to one and only one teacher. Do not wander a lot and expand your content. Please fix the stuff and please don't waste time on selecting a teacher every time you start a new chapter. Having done with the theory now, it's time to apply it in the questions. So do practice questions either the same day or the next day. Now the level of question is not a concern of yours now. Just solve the questions that you have been given either by your teacher or by your institution. You are learning stuff now. So don't limit your concepts by telling yourself that this type of question will not come in the exam. And one more thing, do not skip NCRT. If you can, then do read the theory. But if you cannot, then just read the theory of these few chapters. But you have to solve each and every question of NCRT very diligently. Easy or hard doesn't matter. But you have to solve each and every question. Now, for a matter of fact, you're sure to have some doubt, and it's perfectly okay. A perfect go to is obviously Google Lens, but otherwise, you can use this app named Philo. It's a one on one doubt solving app. I will link it down in the description box below for you to explore. Now, second off, we are having revision for physics. Now, revision is not that very important for physics because once you have learned a concept through step 1, you would need to just brush it up a little. Now, while revising, go through your notes, those scribbles that you made with pencil after each class. And now this time you can be a bit selective and you can solve just those questions which are relevant for the mock test or for your exam, like NEET, JEE, or boards. Now, after all this, you can make short notes of the chapter that you are done with, because now you would be having much more than formulas. You would be having the concepts that come more oftenly in exams because you already have solved a lot of questions by then. And once you are done with all the chapters, you will be having a collection of short notes, which should be very handy for your last month of revision. Now, lastly, we are having testing. Now, I mean testing for part-wise syllabus and for full syllabus. For part-wise syllabus, it's better to do it according to the chapters that are being taught as per your schedule given by your institution or by your teacher. Now, for full syllabus mock test, I would suggest you to solve at least one paper in 2 days, or you can even solve one paper a day, only physics paper. Because in the beginning, the flow of concepts from whole of the syllabus is not so smooth. You might not be able to extract stuffs when you need them. So please do not panic. It's quite normal. Once you have done your syllabus, you can start doing this, and after revising chapter alongside, you will realize that the flow of your concepts for every chapter that you have revised become more smoother, and in no time you would be able to do that for most of the chapters, and that's what we are aiming for. Not all the chapter would be fresh in your mind, but don't get into this delusion that you haven't revised so you cannot solve it. Give it a try because you have learned it before. Not necessarily all questions are memory based. So, what's the gist? Now, physics is a subject that demands consistency from a learner. You might get bored by the easy and the same type of questions of magnetism. You might think that you don't need to attend today's class. You might feel like leaving NCRT question for this one chapter. But trust me, if you force yourself for a few times, then this will become your habit and it would be very easy to keep going. So this brings us to the end of this video. Hope you all liked it. I tried my level best to share things that helped me. If you feel you can share some of your learning with us in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.